Just got this food steamer and egg cooker. I'm gonna be using it to hard boil some eggs and see how they turn out. Looks like about 8 eggs will fit in at a time. And the manual said to hard boil them takes about 15 minutes. All right, we'll check back then. So right after hitting start, it started beeping at me, several beeps loud in a row, and I realized I forgot the water. So that's a good safety feature right there. Now that we've added the water, we can put these eggs back on top. And start this again. There we go. All right, it's been 5 minutes, and you can definitely tell it's steaming up in there, getting a little steamy. 3 minutes left on it, and you can see a little bit of steam coming up from it, so it's still steamy. And that's what it does when it's over. Ooh, it's hot. We're gonna make some deviled eggs, right?
Yep.
And we'll see if they're hard boiled. So it looks like I was supposed to put the eggs on the bottom like that. So hopefully these turned out hard boiled. We shall see. So these are in fact hard boiled. So we are peeling them now, and then we're gonna make some deviled eggs. And there they are. They look pretty good. So this did a good job. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.